Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about how to access and use the Link Validator tool in your Canvas course. To start off, we will open up the course that we would like to run link validation in, and then go ahead and head to the settings menu using the link at the very bottom of the left navigation. From here, we're going to look at the right hand side of the page and click Validate Links and Content. Next, we'll hit Start Link Validation. If you have never run the link validation tool, this page will be empty. But if this tool has already scanned your course in the past, you will see previously flagged items being displayed on the page. However, I highly recommend always rescanning this page to get the most accurate list of currently broken links. Depending on the size of your course, this can take a while, so please be patient. When the link validation tool has finally finished checking through your course, it will display the results here. You can also decide whether or not you would like to see unpublished content in the report. If you only want results for published content, you can unselect the Show Links to Unpublished Content checkbox at the top. While examining the results of the link validation tool, you'll likely see one of three errors. External links in this resource were unreachable. Links to other courses in this resource may not be accessible by students in this course. And non-existent content referenced in this resource. The first of these errors simply means that the site was unable to be reached or the button serves no function. The second error means that the link takes you to another Canvas course that may or may not be accessible by students. This one can be tricky to catch, as you, the instructor, may be able to properly see all of the content. However, this is likely due to the course being copied from a previous shell of yours. Since you are the instructor and have access to that shell, it may not be noticeably broken. With that being said, since your students don't have access to the previous shell, the content may not be loading for them properly. A good way to verify if your students are able to access the content is by utilizing the Student View feature. The third error simply means that a Canvas page is referenced that does not yet exist. This may be due to the page being altered and needing a newly updated link, or the page that was previously linked has since been deleted. It is always important to verify the results of the link validation tool. For instance, in some cases, you may find out the link that displays as unreachable is, in fact, reachable. That being said, more often than not, the errors reported in the link validation report are indeed correct. To fix the errors that show up in the link validation report, all you have to do is click the hyperlinked page title where the error appears, go into the page's edit mode, locate the link that is producing an error, and simply remove or replace the link. After making the correction, make sure to hit the Save button. Then, we can go back to our link validation tool and restart the link validation to update our results. And when the link validation tool has finished running its checks again, we can see that the errors have gone down by 1. If we continue looking through the report, you will no longer see the error that we just fixed. Thank you and have a great day.